You get to have a bag of crispy M&Ms. Ew. But they're all melted. No.
Who doesn't like crispy M&Ms though? What
are crispy M&Ms?
No. So you bite into it and it has that crunch to it.
Like the peanut?
No, well, kind of.
Like the wafer?
Yeah, it's like wafery inside.
Yeah, I'm not a fan of M&Ms or dairy that much.
It's like an M&M Crunch Bar.
No, I'm good.
I'm gonna say yes because you can refreeze it into a weird chocolatey glob that you can then cut up into manageable pieces and re-M&M.
I think that is like how, right? Like they're assuming the bag is all melted together, so it's like a big bar.
Yeah, that would be... I see no downside because you can just remake it.
I don't like M&Ms because they have dairy in them, so no.
Fair enough. Wow. Only off by 500 votes.
We're not the deciding factor on any of these.
Yeah. 5 hours later, we get the one.
Finally, our decision matters.
You will be beautiful and wealthy beyond your wildest dreams, but you will never find love or companionship and will die alone. 3, 2, 1, no!
No. I don't care how beautiful or how wealthy I am. If I don't have love or companionship in the least, who doesn't want, like, companionship includes friends. It includes anything.
That does include friends.
Yeah. Like, if you want any sort of anything, if you don't want to die alone, you won't be beautiful and wealthy. Apparently. If you push the button.
Yeah, let's not press that button. 82%. Well, 80% or 80 people agreed with us because we were the 81. That's the closest we've come to swaying a vote even more. Or that's the smallest amount of votes we've had on a... Yeah. What is up with the 18 people who pressed it? What is the point? Like, who loves themselves that much? Never mind, I know people like that, so, yeah.
Understand all truth of universe, but can never talk to others again. Again, of course, this is my question.
Understand all truth of universe.
I'll push the button.
What is the truth of universe?
The universal truths, or the universe, whatever its truths are.
I have a degree in English, just so questions like these can torture me.
Yeah, it's really not so welly worded.
Welly worded. Welly worded.
Did that make your English degree go, ah?
Go. Go.
That's not well done.
Go. So, I mean...
Through what? How can you never talk to others again? Through everything? Like...
Does that include, like, signing to people or miming to people?
Text, messages... like voicemail, like how can you talk to them?
Does pointing count too? Like, can you get nothing? How do you signify anything to another person that you need something?
Right, are they talking about communication or physically speaking?
Unless you have an infinite source of food and water that you can generate on your own, you're kind of screwed. I don't know. I'm gonna say no.
I would say yes.
Okay. So we'll push the button for you. Have a perfect body, but your face will look exactly like your ugliest selfie, and you are not able to change it, including makeup.
No.
No.
That was an easy rapid fire.
No.
That was easy. Nope.
Next. The next thing you touch turns into solid gold, but the next 50 things you touch after that catch fire. Ho, ho, ho. Yes!
I will find the heaviest of heavy things. An entire 2-ton car? Sure! I will touch that! And then everything after that will be like a feather. And it will just poof into thin air and disintegrate. Incinerate into thin air. Just the feathers. Whoop. That's it.
Fire at your fingertips.
Yeah. Hey, if you get a choice in this, yeah, I'll push the button. You will become social media famous and incredibly good at your craft.
Oh, that's never gonna happen.
But you will have to live in a secluded area. What's wrong with that? And never meet anyone. Oh.
No.
The bottom half is already there. So what's so wrong with becoming social media famous and becoming incredibly good at it? Like, I'm already lonely and I don't meet anyone. Like, I already live in what I feel is like a secluded area and I don't feel like I meet anyone.
But does that mean you will not meet anyone? What if you need to see another person for survival?
Like, ever. You just
Ever.
don't see people. I mean, how accurate is that?
I don't know. I'm gonna say no, but you can... Are you saying yes? You're the author of an insanely popular work of fiction. You can observe as fans devote their life to it and entire communities praise your genius. But you cannot take credit for it. The world think someone else wrote it. You know that you created it, but no one else ever will.
No. This question is basically asking, is the gratitude of your hard work that important to you that you would rather someone else take credit for it, but it be out there, than it never be out there?
Do I get the money from it?
No.
Because if I get the money from it, I can live with them thinking someone else did it.
You can't take credit for it.
Because then I can just live my normal life with... Oh, so I just can't...
You know it, but no one else will.
So I create something that everyone loves, but it can't be attributed to me. I get absolutely no benefits from it, apart from the fact that other people like it.
Yeah, but you, deep down, you know other people like it. That's the only benefit. That's what this question is asking. Is that benefit enough to you? No. I don't need... Like, I already know I can do great things. I don't need other people to prove it.
It's questions like these that make me question my own utilitarianism. Maybe I do pull that lever. Maybe I don't.
I will not.
I think I'm only slightly egotistical. You see, I know the correct answer is to press the button. I know that's the correct answer.
Entire communities. I could see how you could want that, right? Like, you get to see that, and you're the one who created it, so it matters most to you. But at the same time, you can't take any credit for that.
But what if it shapes society for the better? Entire communities. People dedicating their
fiction.
life.
It's fiction.
I mean, you see what the Bible did.
Best thing I've ever heard. Oh. You kind of swayed me.
I mean, I see opportunities because it can be dangerous to be the face of something. But if you can have that kind of control without that kind of following responsibility, I think I just found a malicious turn to this, and I kind of want to press the button.
Yeah, let's press it.
There are either 51% of good people or 51% of evil people, and I don't know which way they've swayed it.
You will escape an accident that would lead to your death, but 2 strangers die.
No. This is definitely an interesting variation of the trolley problem. Say you're on the train tracks, and you have a remote button that you can press to divert the trolley the other way and to kill 2 people. You don't know these people.
You save 5% of the population by doing so. Do you risk it? No.
I don't think I could live with myself if those two people died, much less the court responsibilities.
Well, I would assume there is none.
I mean...
We're pushing a button for death. I don't know.
But even then, I don't feel like I could live with myself.
If I knew straight away that they were just awful people, I would... you know? But otherwise, no.
Okay.
I assume that there is also good in them, and I will not.
What if those are the two worst people on Earth?
I will
like
push that button so hard it never comes back up. If those are the worst people on Earth, whoop, I don't even have to think.
But you would still openly murder them.
I would escape an accident, and they would die. Yeah.
I don't think I could live with myself, personally, if I knew I was responsible, directly or inadvertently, for someone else's death.
Who's to say you're responsible?
Because I pressed the button. I pressed that little button right there. The one right there. I pressed it.
In that case, I can't then.
I'm just kidding. I would press the button. Let's do this.
Well, if I don't care about an accident that leads to my death. I just want to produce the better of the best situation possible. Do you know what I'm saying?
Okay. What if one of them was a serial killer and the other person
was a saint? Yeah, I'd push a button.
Really?
Mm-hmm. I don't believe in saints. I don't believe in saints.
Well,
there's no such thing as you're only doing good. You're a human being. You think not so great things once in a while. It happens.
But hypothetically, that person puts enough good in the world to benefit that many people.
There are a lot of people who do that and don't get recognized as saints.
That's not what I meant. I meant, not the recognized saints. Let's say this is an unknown, genuinely perfect good person and an unknown, genuinely evil person of equal caliber in their opposite ways, put together, and they would both die if you press the button. But if you don't press the button, you die. Does that add anything to it?
No.
Well, there you have it.
To me, I think of inputs and outputs. The same amount of inputs and outputs, good and evil, are coming out of you. That's what that question is asking. Is the same amount of good and evil inputs coming out of you as is them?
And they're equal now, but who's to say they will still be equal?
I didn't even think of that.
Mm-hmm.
Even if they're not equal, they're still there. Do you know what I'm saying?
Could the evil at some point overcome the good?
Yeah, but so could the good outcome the evil.
This is a utilitarian's worst nightmare. Versus then, your own life.
We just won't push the button. We'll say, nope.
Let's just scoot that little button to the side.
Yeah.
I'm curious. Wow. 55,000 people. 55,000.
Almost 70% of people who answer that question chose the selfish reason.
Wow. How could you people be so selfish?
You can change one thing you hate about yourself. But the thing you like most about yourself will change in equal and opposite direction.
I mean, every action has an equal and opposite reaction. Science.
No. No, I don't really have to think about that, no.
No.
I just like the things that I like about myself enough that I don't want to change the things I hate about myself that much.
I'm with you on that. You will be able to teleport to any destination in the world at will, but you will not be able to take anything with you. Not even your clothing. Yes.
Sure.
The ability to teleport anywhere. Granted, you can't take clothing, but say maybe you teleport first, drop off some clothes, maybe make some phone calls, you know, teleport yourself to a restroom somewhere. That's free travel anywhere you want.
Yeah, or you could teleport to a clothing store.
Yes.
You could teleport to a mall.
Yeah.
You could teleport to a place that does have clothing. You could teleport to a closet. You could teleport to anywhere, really. Yeah, sure. Why not?
Yeah, say you teleport yourself to Tibet, but then someone's accidentally there and you embarrass yourself, just teleport away. Yes.
Yeah, why not?
Yeah. Let's answer before we see the question.
How does that work?
Will you press the button?
No.
Yes.
No.
I say yes.
I say no.
Let's see what we get. You get a dragon! But it breathes vomit instead of fire. I mean, I get a dragon though.
I don't. It's okay.
Will you press the button?
No.
I'm gonna say yes. You could enter any Pokemon region of your choice, but you cannot exit it. Ever. That's awesome! I'm happy with that. I'm cool with that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Same.
But the question is, which region did I pick? I mean, I have a favorite, but I'm gonna say no.
No.
2 no's?
Yeah. 3 no's.
3 no's?
3 no's.
Where's the 3rd nose?
Oh, this is gonna be the 3rd one. No.
You get $1 every time you blink. But each time you blink, you get a really sharp pain in your eye and you go blind for 10 seconds.
Good thing I said no.
Right? Here's a question. If you blink really quickly in rapid, succession, do you then get the equal amount of dollars? But are you also blind for that amount of time?
Right? Any creature you create on Spore becomes real. Didn't I say this was going to be a great question? But the creatures will always be hunting you down. Yep.
Maybe an adorable puppy?
I'll push the button.
I mean, I'm picturing some of the cute, adorable creatures you can make that won't kill you.
Also, if you create it, you can always destroy it. Do you know what I'm saying? Like, you're the one who creates it. It's your power.
Create, a weakness?
Yeah. You create their own weaknesses. So you have control always, yeah.
And that's us playing God.
Why not?
That was Will You Press the Button?
Woo!
I love that you matched the same enthusiasm going in as going out. Thanks. Thanks for watching.
Thank you, guys. Have a great day, night, time zone.
Have a great day, night, time zone.
Don't listen to me. Under any circumstances. Ever.
That was the betterest exit ever.
Accurate.
And this is the last time she guests on this channel.
Forever!
Wow.
Like, comment, and subscribe!
Don't forget to press the button. What did I even press? You get a superpower you wish you were occasionally causing destruction. That's such a me thing to do. I didn't even look at it, but that's so me. You just create death and destruction from your own accidental mistakes.
Have a great night. Sleep well.
Watch out for me and my evil superpowers.
Death and destruction will follow.
Please don't kill me with a trolley.